Are you a real estate investor tired of lenders digging into your tax returns, pay stubs, and employment history? What if I told you there's a loan designed specifically for investors where none of that is required? It's called a DSCR loan, and it's quickly becoming the go-to financing tool for investors who want to scale faster, easier, and with fewer hoops. Here's how it works. Instead of looking at your income, lenders look at the income of the property itself. If the rent covers the mortgage payment, you can qualify. It's that simple. No employment verification, no W-2s, no tax returns. Just the property's cash flow is doing the talking. DSCR financing is perfect for investors who don't want write-offs ruining their qualifying power, are self-employed or have complex finances, want to pick up multiple properties quickly, prefer asset-based loans that align with real-world investing. You can use DSCR loans to buy long-term rentals, Airbnb, short-term rentals, and even refinance existing properties to pull cash out and grow your portfolio. Imagine adding another cash-flowing door or two without worrying about your personal income. Imagine scaling your portfolio based on opportunity instead of paperwork. That's the freedom DSCR gives you. If you're ready to build wealth the smart way and want financing that moves at the speed of an investor, reach out. I'll show you exactly how to qualify, what properties work best, and how to leverage DSCR loans to grow your portfolio in 2025 and beyond.